What's up, everyone? There's got a better picture of the sweeping girl there. Here we are back. I'm using the monitor this time, so you will hear the game. Lookout landing Skyview Tower. So now we're solving the mystery of the towers, going down to my quarters, emergency shelter, and this is where you can actually get your stamina and your health instead of the decrepit Temple of Time. Wasn't it the Temple of Time that we went to before? And now it's a new Temple of Time in the sky. I don't know. Are there two temples? I forgot what happened here. But got my stamina. And we are going through the fruit and mushroom mix. We have the... What is that? Oh, yeah. They're all set up. All these are set up. So there is Impa. Oh, I'm sorry. Impa. Pura. Impa's an old lady. So... The way we're doing this is we're not climbing the towers anymore, and you can see the old guardians. You get launched up into the sky and you come back down. It's a very exhilarating experience. Here is something to pick up. I found another damn Korok. Of course I did. Here is we launch up into the air, and I think this is the second tower. This is tower number 2. Yeah, so we got two towers set up. So now the mission is that we go into the four corners, the Rito, the Gerudo, the Goron, and the Zora, and then up there somewhere is the Lost Woods. So, oh yeah. So I'm now figuring out that those falling things are the meteors. And I guess if they look like square rocks, you could go up to the sky. So I'll be learning how to go back up to the sky more. Unfortunately, I couldn't figure out, I couldn't find a spot to go anywhere. And those red and black creature things with the eyeballs are coming at me again. So I had to skedaddle. There's my new, finally, I got a fucking, what is it? The paraglider. Thank fucking God. And there's another painting there. It's hard to tell anything. I'm not sure if you're supposed to take a picture or what this all means. I will have to go back for Impa. I might go back after I do after I complete this. So we'll see how I do it. This is the house of a couple. They help you out, and I get you a spicy elixir. I had 2 or 3 meals made so I can get to the Rito tribe in time. And yes, I was going to get a picture of the wife. You know I was going to get a picture of the wife. So I'm keeping a little black photo album. Not a black book, but a black photo album. Spicy pepper steak. Now it's time to go into the snow. Lucky Clover Gazette. Yeah, it is very cold. And... if nothing else, because trying to climb up to the tower is a chore. So I can't do it unless I was down from the sky. Somebody in the tribe will help me. I have not talked to anybody yet. I'm thinking that it's not possible to stay in there, to stay at the Rito village without freezing to death. So that's what I'm thinking. I could be completely wrong. If I am, I'll find out the hard way. So, we are here riding the winds. And let's find out what we can do here. I'm guessing I'm using my paraglider. I'm always looking back behind these things to see if there's anything, but there's never any hidden goodies behind the entrance. So if it's anything like the ones before, nothing hidden there. Let's go this way. So, did anybody see the Sony showcase? Who liked the Sony showcase? Spider-Man 2. And I don't mean Spider-Man 2 on the PlayStation 1. I mean Spider-Man 2. That was a great presentation. I was watching Yang Ya's channel. I would give it a 10 out of 10 for the whole thing. The alternate switch with the remote play and what is it? Terror Blade? What is that one? The one with the ninja with the blade, Zero. Phantom Blade Zero, right? And then they got the new MGS3. It looks like MGS Metal Gear Solid Delta, but it's 3 with the triangle. Okay, so I gotta be careful here, right? So, oh, that's gonna be it for my cold, anti-cold. That's that. Now we're gonna find out. Well, we're not gonna find out now because we will not freeze to death. Are you ready for the plunge? Let's take the plunge. Oh. Oh, that was a bastard. Let me fill up here. What have I got? What have I got? I don't want to waste those. I don't want to waste a whole lot of those. What are those refill? Oh, those refill 1. Hylian pine cone. I guess you don't eat a pine cone. A bright cap. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. Oh, I'll eat that. Fuck it. Shit, shit. Stop. Stop what you're doing. Oh. Shit. I'm supposed to break this, huh? Let me take a look around. Okay, let's try again. Ooh. Yeah, what's up? What is that music? What'd I get? Strong construct bow. Yeah, we'll need one of those. I don't know. Yeah, we don't need that one. We need the strong construct bow. So, am I going down there? What am I doing? Keep in mind, it's very fucking dark. I see some stuff over there. Oh, let's go that way. Okay. Oh. I see. Oh. Have a nice trip. See you next fall. Have a nice trip. See you next fall. Okay, I think this is where I need to be looking around and trying to figure out exactly where I need to be going. I do say a lot because I'm frustrated. I don't know what the fuck. Am I going down? Am I going that way? Let's go that way. Does this take me? Oh, wait. Holy shit. I just guessed my way. I just guessed my way. Keep in mind, I'm not capturing footage. I'm just like looking at 2 screens at once here. It's like a fucking DS. Let's see Spider-Man do this, right? Yeah, that presentation was fucking cool, wasn't it? Spider-Man 2, Phantom Blade, the Towers of Agshala, because it's kind of like this one. A lot of great games. I mean, there's a snowball's chance on a cold summer day that we're going to get the Steam Deck version of Spider-Man 2. That's why I'm excited for it. I'm not going to really go through the trouble of getting a PS5, but the Switch has got some competition if the cloud gaming works. Now, Rome Rush is a popular YouTuber. Will Rome Rush get that device and try the cloud gaming? He might. I mean, he's not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of it. But if you have a physical game, right? One, so I can get more hearts, I'm going to balance between the hearts and stamina like I did before. So kind of like this inertia. Hearts, stamina, and the stamina is limited, so then I'll just end up getting more hearts, just like before. That's what I do. I don't know what other people do. All right. Now let's find out if I freeze to death. If I freeze to death trying to go back into town, then I'll go back and finish Impa's quests. I'll go back and finish Impa's quests because the thing is that I did not have a fucking glider. Now I do have a paraglider. But I didn't finish Impa's thing with the... how am I going to do that, though? How am I going to do that? Aha. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go to... Oh, fuck this. Let's go to... Let's see. Let's go to hell. We are going to go to... See, it's good now because I can always go back. Da-da-da. It's all cold. It's all fucking cold. What are we supposed to do, right? What is this? All right. I might not be able to do a whole lot this time, but we'll see. I'm just lucky I got anything done in the, what is it? How many hours have I been doing this? 13 hours. 13 hours. Okay. Let me see what I have here. I may not be able to do it because it requires lighting the damn... It requires a fire. Wait, do I have flint? Do I have fucking flint? Yes. Oh, I don't know if I can. Strike it with a metallic weapon to generate a spark. Okay, so I might be able to do it. Let's see. So we need to go back to where Impa is, because I had to restart at another save. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. What surprise is C here after all this time, Link? Yep, there's Impa. Let's see if we can do this quest right. I heard you had gone missing. It is certainly a relief to see you back, and in one piece, more or less. And Zelda-sama? Doko deshita ka? Where did she go? Tokuneita. What? She has not Mada Kai Shinai? Or Kai Mada Kai Shinai, I guess. In that case, we must use all available means to search for her. Link, when Princess Zelda went missing, something else happened all over Hyrule. During the upheaval, huge pictures appeared out of nowhere. So I saw one of those. Images that sprawled across fields and hills. We are calling them geoglyphs. I understand they have been found in locations across the kingdom. Kato and I are traveling from region to region in hopes of seeing them all. I noticed this geoglyph from a distance while I was standing on high ground. Examining it up close, I could not make out what it depicted. I thought it might be a better view from up in the sky. I took to the air on my balloon, in the balloon Pura gave me, but then, alas, taihen da na. The wind struck and completely sheared the balloon off the base. I had racked my brain for ways to reattach the two parts, but to no avail. Okay, so what we have to do, it's very simple. Hylian Shroom. Yeah, that's Impa's picture. She's an old lady. She's 200 years old. From the Edo period. Former chief of the Shika who served the royal family sometime getting and made her granddaughter Paya the new chief. She was the one that was like helping clean around the house. Being over a century old hasn't stopped Impa from doing her part in the search for Princess Zelda. She's investigating the geoglyphs around Hyrule. Certainly will provide clues to where the princess is. So I saw one of those. We saw one in green. But now what I need to do is, let's see. Take this. I could easily just shoot an arrow at it, right? Or do I have I can use a torch. Yeah. Oh. Might have screwed this up. I might have screwed this up. Oops. Sorry. What good does that do if she's not on it? Let's try that again. You fixed my balloon. Domo arigato gozaimashita. Will you come with me to look at the geoglyph then? Sure. Time to head out then. Oh, I nearly forgot. Would you mind doing one final thing? Kage? Light a fire there and the balloon will start to float. Then we could be on our way. Okay, so she has to be on the fucking ship. Okay, so, what am I equipped with? Okay. Okay. We're flying. Yes, good hire. Good hire. She's from Japan. She's got like 20 cats. Hold on. That's the image. Too high up? I feel faint. But finally we can see it. The geoglyph. Well done, Link. You know, I read something in the village's old literature, a passage about what the ancients called dragon's tears. Where the tears rest upon the earth, we mark down the images to which they gave birth. I believe the geoglyph is one such image, but even from this vantage, the meaning is no clearer to me. Nor can I figure out what the dragon tears might be. But you know, if this literature is correct, one of them should be quite close, near the geoglyph, or even within its borders. Well, I saw one of them. Would you mind looking around? This could be the clue we need to discover Princess Zelda's whereabouts. If you would like to examine the geoglyph from ground level, you can float down with the paraglider. No need to worry about me. I can manage a simple landing. Okay. I'm not sure what I can do. So, You hitched a ride. According to Impa, hidden somewhere in the geoglyph is something called a dragon's tear. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Whoa, we're not, that's the wrong goddamn way. Okay. Seems to be all right up there. Oba-san is okay. So I had McDonald's yesterday. I don't really eat much McDonald's anymore. Oh shit. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. See, it's all right. I made it. What's this? What do we find? We found something. Hmm? Are these memories? They look like memories. Something important. Ah, here we go. Breath of the Wild. Kind of.
Oh dear.
Oh, these are the Zonai. They're all deer people.
Where am I? We didn't mean to startle you. I'm sorry. It's okay. My name is Sonia.
And could we ask what your name is?
You didn't introduce yourself.
I am the daughter of King Rome of Hyrule, Zelda.
What an unexpected answer. We are the king and queen who founded Hyrule, after all. Or at least we were the last time I checked.
You two founded Hyrule? And you're the king?
My name is Rauru. King Rauru of Hyrule.
Rauru and Queen Sonia?
Where are they at?
That must mean...
Oh, what a great clue. Did you get all that? Okay, so now what do we have? Where am I? So, after disappearing into the depths under the castle, Zelda wakes up and meets two strangers who introduce themselves as the King Radu and Queen Sonia. She's left startled by a suspicion that she has heard those names before. So she might be in the past. She traveled through time, I guess. Time travel stuff. Impa and the geoglyphs. I guess she's still up there. Oh no, how'd you get down here so fast? How do you do that? Rik? Daijoubu desu ka? You look distracted. Do a few more minutes of this. Zelda. Oh goodness. You had a vision? Saw mysterious figures? Zelda-sama. The geoglyphs, the literature, the dragon's tears, and now a vision of the lost princess. What if they're all connected? Let us continue to examine the geoglyphs. They may contain further clues. You know, according to literature, there is something to do with geoglyphs in the Forgotten Temple. The Forgotten Temple lies at the bottom of a canyon in Hebra. I think we should make our way there soon. Hebra. Okay, so let's see. The Dragon's Tears. You found one of the mysterious Dragon's Tears. Input thinks so. So there's that. Okay. So there's one of two quests going on. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I want to continue on this other one. But what I want to do is I want to go back to the Rito tribe. And so so I got you get a couple of quests, you get a couple more quests. It's like Fallout, the board game, where you get one and add another quest, add another quest. You're always exploring. Cave secrets. Yeah, there were likes. I wasn't ready to go up against them yet. Okay. What I can do is make an elixir that will prevent me from getting cold. I bought some new clothes, by the way, so I have better outfits. Oh, it's a bird. Hello, bird. Would you like some bird seed? Well, look at this. You're the one I saw flying around the sky. It's great to meet the first one to ever be launched from a SKYVIEW tower. A real historic moment. That was kind of exhilarating. What's your name? Watashi wa Riku desu. Rinku? Chotto mate. Honto ni? Rinku wa... Nemu wa Rinku desu ka? Ah! You got the same name as that famous swordsman. Good for you. A pretty big name to live up to, though. I am Penn, like Penn and Teller. By the way, I work for the Lucky Clover Gazette. Oh, he's a news guy. He's a news bird. I guess he would look like a pigeon. I guess he should look like a carrier pigeon, though. I'm writing an article about this event, so folks everywhere will know about the SKYVIEW towers being activated. I better get to work. Our newspaper is short on staff, so I've had to flap all over the place to cover the news. Hey, we could use another reporter. You should join us. Seem like a brave type and all. That's what it takes. Our newspaper is based in Hebra why are we going to Hebra all the time? To the northwest. You should find it near the village that leads to Rito Village. Stop by if you're up for an adventure sometime in the newspaper biz. Until then. Atao. Johnny. Alright, let's take a look. So, I gotta make some elixir, and then I want to go back to the town. Let's see. Where are the cooking utensils here? That's it. Surely we have a cooking area. Okay, let me see what I can do here. Let's see. Let me save first before I waste anything. Before I waste anything more. There's an energy cell. Booblegim. I don't think I'm going to do much more here. Let me create something here. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, And how about a stem bulb? Okay. I didn't hear which one it was. Pepper steak. No, no, that won't do. Well, again and again until we get it right. Let me see if I can come up with something better. Damn it. I need something for anti-cold. Let's try it. Damn it. Fuck. Oh. Oh. Nope. Let's just use just chili peppers. Fantastic. That is how you fucking cook. That's how you cook, right? 10 minutes. Great. Fantastic. So I'm going to save and I'm going to go back to the villages. I think I'll be doing this again. Let me think. Friday night. We'll pick this up again. If you like this video, you know what to do. And have some chili pepper sauce on me.